In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a folder in Windows 11. Let's start with a quick overview of what we're doing and why. Windows 11 doesn't offer a simple Add Password button for regular folders, but you can still protect your files effectively by compressing the folder into an archive and then adding a password to that archive. This is a practical way to keep sensitive documents, photos, or work files away from others who might use your computer. First, locate the folder you want to protect. Take a moment to clean it up. Move in any files you want secured and remove anything you don't actually need in there. It's easier to manage one clearly organized folder than a messy collection of files later on. Now, we'll turn this folder into a compressed archive. Right-click on the folder, and from the context menu, choose the option to compress or zip it. On most Windows 11 systems, you'll see something like Compress to Zip File. Click that, and Windows will create a new compressed file in the same location as your original folder. You can rename this new file to something clear and recognizable, so you know it's your protected version. To add a password, you'll typically need a compression tool that supports encryption, such as a third-party archiving program. After you've installed and opened your preferred archiver, add the folder or existing zip file to a new archive from within that program. Look for options like Set Password or Encryption. When you see the password field, type a strong, unique password that you can remember, but that others won't easily guess. Avoid simple options like common words or short number sequences. Confirm the password when prompted, then let the tool finish creating the encrypted archive. Once the password-protected archive is ready, test it. Double-click the archive and try opening one of the files inside. The program should immediately ask you for the password. Enter it carefully and make sure the file opens correctly. This quick check confirms that your protection is working as intended. Finally, after confirming everything is secure, you can decide what to do with the original, unprotected folder. If you no longer need open access to it, you can delete it, knowing a protected version exists. Just be certain that the archived file works and that you remember your password, because if you lose it, you won't be able to recover the contents.